The Union Cabinet approved Semicon 2.0 just yesterday. Now, India Semiconductor Mission CEO Amitesh Kumar Sinha has laid out how the government will become an active part in funding India's semiconductor startups from the scratch. Now, before we tell you the workings of this initiative, do like, share and subscribe to stay up to date on all things AI and technology. With that, let's get right into it. Now, Sinha said that the government will buy an equity stake in semiconductor startups as part of the Semicon 2.0 mission. Now, this will give startups access to the things that they require most at that time, capital, and that too at any stage of the startup. Central government will also match funding provided by venture capitalists, matching their stake as well. However, Sinha has assured that they will only serve as financial investors and have no control over their day-to-day operations. He, in fact, explicitly said, and I'm going to quote him here, "We want to enable the company. We don't want to interfere in their day-to-day working." Obviously, the Indian government cannot just keep funding these startups through seeds, Series A, Series B and Series C funding without requiring anything back. Now, Sinha has mentioned that once the revenue starts flowing in, startups will have the opportunity to buy back their shares from the government even if they get acquired. Now, if they want to sell their company to anybody else, we are not binding any company, Sinha said. He also said, whatever equity valuation of the government, we will take that money and monetize it. Now, for an established organization, Sinha has noted that monetary support will be provided on a royalty-based repayment model. When the revenue starts flowing, we'll take back 1.5 times the amount the government has given. Sinha's words. Now, while equity participation allows the government and the startups to maintain a cash flow, this is not the only aspect of the Indian Semicon 2.0 mission. The government has laid out a 1.275 lakh crore plan, supporting chip design, advanced packaging, semiconductor materials, chemicals, manufacturing equipment, research and talent development, while continuing incentives for fabrication projects. Now, the government expects to attract around rupees 4 lakh crore in investments over the next decade, generate nearly rupees 2 lakh crore worth of semiconductor production, and create a domestic semiconductor ecosystem. Viewers, here's the front page take on this. The expectations for the Semicon 2.0 mission are, of course, ambitious. And given the way the technology is progressing, an aggressive funding and ecosystem building strategy like this, one can work. However, what kind of data is the government operating on when they propose an equity share as a funding model? How will they ensure that they don't go deep enough, that they cannot bail themselves out? And if the AI bubble bursts, will they be able to pivot and strategize towards some other use case for this growing supply of semiconductors? Let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by AIM Network. Like, share and subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AI.